Okay. Okay, we will start with this. Okay, yesterday we were doing that one. We will do it again. Yesterday we were doing that one. A exercise, page number 23. First one I had done for you. First one we had done it. So it was in this. It was boys. When places. It was places. It was things. In places it was field. And in things it was bikes. We had done this much yesterday, na? So today we will be doing other one. The girl looks through the window of the bookstore. The girl looks through the window of the bookstore. So second one will be girl. Girl will come in the people. Girl will come in the people. Now we are talking about window. So window is a thing. So it will come in things. Okay. Now the bookstore. Bookstore is a place where we can go and purchase the books. So it will come here in places. Now third one. The man mows the grass in the park. Man, again man is a people. So it will come in people. Okay. Grass. Grass is a thing. Grass is a thing. So it will come in thing. And park. Park is a place where we go and play na. So park will come in places. Okay. Now fourth one. A woman feeds a duck near the pond. Woman. Again, woman is a name of a people. Woman is a name of a people. So it will come in people. Duck. Since duck is an animal, we are not putting animal in this. You can put separately or you can write there duck separately for animal. And we will put places for places. We will put pond. In places we will put pond. We will put leave that blank. Now fifth one. Fifth one, my uncle Bush pushes the swing on the ground. Uncle, again, uncle is the name of the uncle is person. Uncle is person, so it will come in people. Then swing. Swing is a thing. Swing is a thing. Jhula. So it will come in things. Then playground. Playground is a place where we play. So it will come in places. All of you are writing it? You can write it by the time I am writing on the board. Now sixth one. My father buys vegetable in the market. Again, father is the people. Father is the people. Vegetables. We are talking about vegetables. So vegetable will come in things. Vegetable will come in things. And in the market. My father buy vegetables in the market. So market is a place from where we can get or purchase things. So it will come in the places. All of you have understood? This we have done yesterday only. I'm just like doing it again. Okay, now seventh one. My mother drives her cat to the school. Again, mother is the people. It will come in people's place. Then car. Car is a thing. Car is a thing. Car is a thing. And school. School is a place where you go and study. So it will come in Places. My mother drives her car to the school. Okay, now eighth one. The children read books at school. Children, again children is the people. Again children is the people, so it will come in people. Then books. Books is a non-living things, though it will come in things. And from where we get that books? We get that books. We read that books at schools. Yes, we read that book at school. So again, the school will come in places where, in places it will come. Okay. Now, ninth one. My aunt checks out a DVD at the library. Aunt, again, aunt is a people. So it will come in aunt. Okay. Then checks DVD. DVDs are there in which you can watch deep pictures or movies. Okay. Then it will come in things. Then at library. So where library, again it is a place. So we'll put library in place. Places. Okay. Done. Now 10th one. My grandmother eats cake at the bakery. Again, grandmother is a people. So it will come in this places, people. Okay. Then she eats cake. Cake is a non-living thing, is a thing. So it will go in thing. And from where she gets it from bakery. So bakery is a place. So all of you have understood. See, all this is coming. Boys, girls, men, women, uncle, aunt, father, mother, children, aunt, grandmother. All this is coming in people. Now places are fields, bookstore, park, pond, playground, market, school. Again school, because 2 times school has come. Library and bakery. So these are the places from where we get the things. Now this is the things which we use. That was bikes, window, grass. This you have to leave. Then swing, vegetables, car, books, DVD, and cake. We have left the duck over here. You can write duck in animals. Okay. Now with this we have completed the chapter. So all of you have done this. Now we will be starting. Okay, all of you must have noted down now. Or if you have not noted down, you can get it from the portal. You can go and you will get the answers from the portal. Okay, now we will start a new chapter. That is singular and plural. Who will tell what is singular and plural? Singular and plural is that when we talk about one thing, that is considered as singular. When we are talking about one thing, it is considered as singular. When we are talking about many things, when we are talking about one thing, it is considered as singular. And when we are talking about many things, it is considered as plural. Suppose I am talking about, for example, flower. When I am talking about one flower, so it will be singular. When I am talking about many flowers, it will be plural. And like this, boy. When I am talking about one boy, it will be singular. When I am talking about many boys, it will be plural. Okay. Then if so, you have understood this. Now let's go for the I will just share you the word bank. Just see the word bank. Okay, now you can see this word bank. You can see that word bank. Now in word bank, what you can see that singular and plural are given. And, ants. One ant, एक चींटी के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. So it is ant. When we are talking about many ant, so it will be ant. We will put s over there. When we are talking about one apple, it will be apple. When we are talking about many apple, it will be apples. Okay. When we are talking about elephant, it will be elephant. One elephant, it will be elephant. When we are talking about many elephants, it will be elephants. Then arrow. When we are talking about one arrow, it is the arrow means tir. So it will be singular. When we are talking about many arrows, so it will be plural. Then when we are talking about building, it will be one building. When suppose we are talking about one building, so it will be only building. When we are talking about many building, it will be, we will put s in that and it will become plural, buildings. Flower, just now I told you in example, when we are talking about flower, one flower, it will be without s, and when we are talking about many flowers, so we will put s. Now fruit, when we are talking about one fruit, it will be fruit, and when we are talking about many, it will be fruits. Now jug, when we are talking about jug, one jug, it will be only jug, and when we are talking about many jug, we will put the so in that. Then oven, one oven, we are talking about one oven in which you bake your biscuits and all, so it is oven. When we are talking about many ovens, so we will put s in that. Then same way rat, when we are talking about one rat, so it will be only rat, and when we are talking about many rats, so we will put that s in rat. Then ship, when we are talking about ship, we are and when we are talking about many ship, we will put s. Then when we are talking about one hen, we will put only right hen, and when we are talking about many hens, we will put hens. In the same way, kite, kites, pigeon, pigeons, robin, robins, toy, toys. Okay. I am writing on the board also. Temple. What will be the plural of temple? It will be temples. One temple, mandir. We are talking about many temples, so it will be temples. When I am talking about map, one map, map of India or map of world. So when we are talking of many maps, so it will be S. Now third one, arm. When we are talking about one arm, it will be one arm, and when we are talking about many, we will put S, arms. Okay, first, then fourth one, egg. When I'm talking about one egg, I will put a right egg only. When I'm talking about many eggs, so I will put eggs. Okay. Now fifth one, monkey. When I'm talking about one monkey, it will be monkey. And when I'm talking about many, it will be monkeys. Sixth one, lion. When I'm talking about one lion, I will write only lion. And when I'm talking about many lions, so I will put S in that. Got it? Now, seventh one, orange. Orange means santra. When we are talking about one orange, I will write orange. And when I'm talking about many, so I will put an S in that. Oranges. It will be oranges. Okay. Now, eighth one, game. When I'm talking about one game, it will be simple game. And when I'm talking about many, so it will be many games. Then Beta, I am ninth one. Owl. Nishi, I am teaching chapter English literature, chapter number 5. Tenth one is I. When I am talking about one eye, so it will be I. And when I am talking about many two eyes or many, so we will put S in that. So we have completed this first exercise. Temple, temples, map, maps, arms, egg, eggs, monkey, monkeys, lion, lions, orange, oranges, game, games, owl, owls, and 10th one is I, eyes. So all of you have understood how we have to put S in this plural. Now, all of you must have written by, with me now. Now let's do the B exercise. All of you write the answers when I am writing on the board, and if suppose you have not written, and no problem, you can go to the portal and you can get it the answers from there. In portal, what you have to do, you have to just go, you have to enter your register, you must have having the website. You have to go and you have to enter the mobile number and you will get that OTP, and then you have to enter that OTP and you will get that your login, and that portal will be opened. Okay, now B exercise. Change into singular. Change into singular. Now at in A exercise we have changed into plural. Now we will be changing into singular. Okay, one, because many will be given and we will change. Now arrow, arrows. I will solve your problems, beta. 1 minute, I complete this, then I will solve. Okay, arrows, many arrows are there, and when we are talking about one arrow, it will be arrow. We will remove this S. We will remove this N and it will be one arrow. Okay, then second one, mobile. Mobiles, we are talking about many mobiles. So it will be when we are talking about one mobile, it will be, we will remove that I. Yes, we will remove that S. Okay. Now third one, faces. When we are talking about many faces, it will be S over there, but we have to do it in singular, so we will remove that S and it will become singular. Okay. Fourth one, fans. When we are talking about many fans, we will put S, and in this, when we are talking about singular, we will remove that S and it will be fan. It is very easy. Horns. When we are talking about many horns, it will be S, and when we are talking about one horn, it will be horn. Okay. Now, because it is S over there, we will remove that S and it will become singular house. We will be talking about one house. Okay. Jackals. Many jackals we are talking. Arrows, arrow. Plural it is this. Arrows are plural. Singular is arrow. Mobile is plural. Singular is singular. Mobile is mobile. Faces in plural. Singular we will remove that as face. Fan in plural it will be fans. When we are talking about one fan, it will be, we will remove that S. Horns. If we are talking about many, we'll put S. If we are talking about one horn, we will remove that S. Houses, again, when we are talking about many houses, we will put S, and we are talking about one house, we will remove that S. Jackals, when we are talking many jackals, talking about many jackals, we'll put S, or if we are talking about one, so it will be jackal. Computers, same way, computers, S, and then one computer. Cows, many cows, one cow. Kites, many kites, one kite. So you have understood this now. how we have changed into plural. First we have done in plural and second we have done in singular. So have you ever understood this now? Okay, now anyone is having problem? Okay, allow mobile face, fan, on, house, call, computer. Okay. Ma'am, Ashi Garg, what is your problem, beta?